Well, hello everyone. This is Donna. How are you doing today? I am actually creating this video um, the night before. It's going to be easier for me to do some videos and get them uploaded when I have time instead of trying to rush in the mornings and stuff. And I am also actually watching a live video from Angela at Quarter Inch Seam. That lady is a hoot. If you haven't seen her, go by. She's got a great live, a kind of online quilting community that, it is fun, and she is hilarious. You should go see her. She's actually trying to do some quilting on a quilt at the moment. Hold on. Oh, I had that on my air conditioner in here on earlier today because it got a little warm and stifling in this room, and I'm like, I'm gonna move some air around, but it's cooling off, and I don't need that so much right now. And if you're asking what I'm doing, I have the Bowl Cozies I need to make, and this is just a square that I had from ones that I made here. I've got 2 eyeballs and 2 bats, and they were actually wanting 4 of these, but I don't have enough of the eyeball to give you 4. I only have enough to give the 2, so that's going to be that. And I've got some cats and black I need to cut. Cats in lime green. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So anyway, I am working on that. I pulled the threads for the reverse side welcome banner that I'm going to be stitching, and I'm contemplating pulling my raspberry, gold, and black quilt out to try to attempt to trim those blacks down. After that mystery quilt that I did, I gained a lot of confidence, and even my husband told me that he could see a huge difference in that versus some of my other quilting that I had previously done in the past. So, I'm kind of okay with that. If he thinks he's okay with it too. I need a lime green and a kitty cat, so I have kitty cats here. I already have a lime green with batting on it, so all I need to do is basically get the kitty cats out here and cut me one. Oh my goodness. I doubt if I'll be emptying any boards, but it'd be nice. Shoot. I don't know how many of these things I've bought, probably 2,000-3,000 over time. I don't know. But we're going to cut one out of here, and I'll have to press this fabric for sure before I sew all of this thing. This has all been pre-washed because it was yardage, like a yard or 2 yards when I bought it, so I've had it for a while. What's going on in your room today? Are you doing any special projects for the holidays coming up? Like I said, I'm doing some Halloween, like a little Halloween welcome sign, or actually nightfall, shorter season. And then I'm doing the reverse for Christmas. And I would love to do fun applique quilt, but you know, I don't know. I'm looking for one. I'm really looking for one. Fun and festive for the season that I can start now and get done by Christmas. So if you got any ideas of one that, or you seen a pattern that you really like or something, let me know, because I'm looking. I mean, I really wouldn't mind attempting one of those nice applique quilts. I've seen another channel do a lot of them, and it's got me itching. I know I've got the cutter. I can cut the appliques, and you know, if I decide to do them on an embroidery machine, it would be different um, than that way or technique. But who knows? I mean, let's see. Got to see what else we're doing here. Cat's animal. I need another cat. I guess I should have looked at it and cut it. Well, there's one. Anyway, so do you like doing projects for friends and family? Or do you like say no? I mean, it all depends on what it is. Oh, I love this fabric. Okay. And I have to get the cats back out. Jeez. Do you have this much problem? Or do you have like huge honking sewing rooms? I used to have a really large one upstairs, but I don't get upstairs too much anymore. I had a hard time walking up there. I should say climbing the stairs. Oh. So we're going to get another kitty cat cut out. And when I get this one cut out, it's probably going to be the end of the video today, because I really want to get back and watch Angela. She is, like I said, she is a hoot. And I like watching her. So, hold on. We're getting it. Cut it a little bit wide. Yep. Then I can cut it down. I can put them both back on their cardboards. Yay. Oh my goodness. It would be nice to actually finish a couple of those so I could reuse them instead of having to keep reordering. You know what I mean? But eventually I'll get a lot of this sewn down. Okay, there's that one. And do any of your quilt shops carry these? They're comic book boards, and do any of you store your cotton fabrics on it? Me, after I found this method of storing my cottons, I've never gone back. Never, never, never. So I can store a relative good amount in a relative small space and still be able to see what I have. I don't know, quilt shops. If you have buyers like me, it would be nice to offer the comic book boards, maybe not in hundreds or 200s, but maybe 25. You could order 400 yourself and make, you know, 16 kits of 25 and sell them for, I don't know, a decent profit. But a lot of people, I mean, I don't always need 100 when I want some. Just an idea. Anyway, so I'm going to get this last one cut, and then I'm going to close this out for tonight. Like I said, got to get back in. Watch that live. Oops. Oh, hold on. There she is. So yeah, this will be up in the morning, and I don't know when I'm gonna try to do my quilt chats. I don't know. I don't always necessarily feel like putting up a video every day, but I'll try. I try. So there's another one. So there's 3. Wait. There's the 1, 2, 3, and I don't know. Anyway, that's going to be it for me today. I'm probably going to try to get these sewn up after I see what my dog is barking at. Oh, it was. So I do have the purple for that. So there's 4. And that's going to do it for right now. You may see me sewing on these later. I don't know. Hope you are having a great day in your sewing room, and keep it going. Have fun. Bye.